The recovery rate of ray selection equipment is low and the tail run is serious. In many cases, it is not that the equipment is not good, but that the concentration of the slurry is wrong. Many buses only look at the equipment model but ignore the input concentration. The concentration of the same ore is a few points different, and the sorting effect may be completely different. First, the spiral chute. Generally, it is controlled at about 20% to 30%. Coarse-grained ore and large-density ore can be slightly higher. More fine mud and more fine grain should be low-key. If it is too thick, it is easy to pile up material and cannot divide the layer. If it is too thin, it is easy to wash away the concentrate. Second, shake the bed. Rough sand is generally 15% to 20%. Fine sand is 20% to 25%. And ore mud can be 25% to 30%. The site mainly looks at the bed ore belt, and the boundary between concentrate, medium ore, and tailings is clear, indicating that the concentration is basically appropriate. Third, jump the opportunity. It is generally controlled at 20% to 35%. If the concentration is too high, the bed layer is tight, and the heavy minerals cannot sink. If the concentration is too low, the bed layer is too scattered, and the light and heavy minerals are mixed together, which is easy to run away. Fourth, centrifuge. The input concentration is generally 15% to 25%. If it is too thick, it is easy to block the material, and the stratification effect is poor. If it is too thin, the processing volume cannot be improved. The equipment will consume electricity, and the fine gold is also easy to lose. Fifth, blanket machine. The concentration should be lower, generally 10% to 15%. The blanket machine mainly relies on water flow to drive materials, allowing heavy minerals to settle and adhere to the blanket. If the slurry is too thick, it will block the fine hair on the surface of the blanket. The gold grains and heavy minerals can't stick, and finally the tail will run. Remember a sentence: the jumper can be thick. The rocker should be based on the mine belt. The chute and centrifuge should be kept in moderation, and the blanket machine must not be too thick. Ray selection is not enough as soon as the equipment is turned on. The amount of water, concentration, and particle size are matched, and the recovery rate can really go up.